Hello, BSc third year students. So yesterday we have completed the unit number 3, the last energy resources. So I will just summarize that energy resources. There are two types of energy resources, conventional and non-conventional. Their examples also we have studied yesterday, that is completed yesterday. Now today we will start as per our syllabus the last unit, that is the unit number 4, and from that unit number 4 the first lesson, that is the adaptation. So today we will study the adaptation. So dear students, listen here carefully and try to understand. This is a very important chapter from our syllabus, and this chapter is helpful in our life also. Adaptation. Adaptation. What is adaptation? So first we will see the definition. What is the adaptation? So dear students, in adaptation, as per the syllabus, we have to study 3 types of the adaptation. The first one is the aquatic adaptation, desert adaptation and whole adaptation. पाण्यामधील adaptation, उष्ण वाळवंटी किंवा वाळवंटी प्रदेशामधला adaptation, whole adaptation, which is also called as the flight adaptation. So these 3 different types of the adaptation we have to study. But question is, what is adaptation? Now we know that we have to study the 3 types of adaptation: aquatic adaptation, desert adaptation and whole adaptation. But what is the adaptation? So we will first define and we will see first what is adaptation. We will try to understand what is adaptation. So listen here carefully and try to understand, try to remember that adaptation is the adjustment made by animals with their surroundings, with their environments. It is very important. In animal life, in any animal life, adaptation is very important. Adaptation means adjustment made by animals to their environment or with their environments. If animal not doing adjustment, this is very important word. Any animal that not doing adjustment with their environment, that animal is not successful animal. That animal is failure for their life. That animal will be finished. That animal will be extinct from the world. Remember. So adjustment is very important in our life. In human life also, human being is the superior animal. In animal kingdom, in kingdom Animalia, animal is the highly evolved or superior animal. And in that highly evolved or superior animal, human beings have to make the adjustment with their environment. That's why human being is most successful animal. Otherwise, the largest animal, those not adjusted with their environment, they are finished. You think about the dinosaurs, very larger animal, very energetic animal, powerful animals, but they are extinct today. They are not survival. They are finished because that animal not made adjustment with their environment. So remember, you also in your life do the adjustment with the environment, especially in the female, especially in the girls or women. The power of adaptation is more. They are adapting in the parental atmosphere, and after the marriage they are adapting in that atmosphere, that environment of the father-in-law, mother-in-law and husband. So our females are having the more adaptation. Our female having the more adaptation after the marriage, they are going to their husbands, they are going to their father-in-law, they are going to mother-in-law and making adjustment to that side. If any girls, any ladies after the marriage not doing adjustment to that side, so they are failure in their life. They are coming return to their parents. So that is not good. So here adaptation means the adjustment of animals with their environment. Here for animals means all types of the animals, not only about the human beings. Adjustment made by animals with their environment, they are successful for survival, otherwise they will finish. So now I think you are clear about the adaptation. Adaptation is nothing but adjustment made by animals with their environment. Adjustment made by animals with their surroundings, with their climate, with their society, with their family. So that is called as the adaptation. Here, adapted animals means the animal those doing adaptation, the animal those doing adjustment, that animals are successful. Remember that animals are successful in survival, otherwise they will finish. So remember, adaptation is very essential in all animals' life, otherwise they will be finished. So adapted animals means the animals those making the adjustment to their environment, that animals are called as the adapted animals. So adapted animals is successful in survival, otherwise they will finish. Ill-adapted means the animals those are doing adjustment with their environment, that animals are called as the ill-adapted animals. So ill-adapted animals become extinct म्हणजे नामशेष होणे, कालबाह्य होणे, या जगाचा निरोप घेणे. सो एक्सटिंक्ट. रिमेंबर, एक्सटिंक्ट म्हणजे नस्तित्व होणे and extant म्हणजे अस्तित्वात असणे. Two words, extinct and extant. So always there are the two words, alternative. If we are thinking about the good, then opposite that is the bad. So extinct and extant. So here now we will see the first type of adaptation, that is the aquatic adaptation. Aquatic, it is about the aquatic media, and aquatic media means it is about in the water. So water is of different types. The marine water, the fresh water, the brackish water, the distilled water, the deuteron. So different types of the waters. And adaptation in water, that is called as the aquatic adaptation. So the animal which adjusts in aquatic media, that is called as the aquatic animals, and that adaptation is called as the aquatic adaptation. Adjustment made by animals to live in water and become successful, that is called as the aquatic animals, and that adaptation is called as the aquatic adaptation. पाण्यामध्ये तग धरण्याची जी कॅपॅसिटी प्राण्यामध्ये तयार होते, त्याला म्हणायचं जलचर प्राणी, पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे प्राणी, aquatic animals. So today we will see one type of the adaptation, that is the aquatic adaptation. So first we will definition. So fitness of animal to live in water, or adjustment made by animals to live in water, that is called as the aquatic adaptation. And this aquatic adaptation is further classified into two types, primary adaptation and secondary adaptation. In aquatic adaptation, remember there are two types of the adaptation, that is the primary aquatic adaptation and secondary aquatic adaptations. So here the aquatic animals, पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे प्राणी, developed फ्रॉम aquatic animals. पाण्यामध्ये राहणाऱ्या प्राण्यापासून पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे प्राणी जर डेव्हलप होत असेल तर त्याला प्रायमरी aquatic adaptation असं म्हणायचं. रिमेंबर, the aquatic animals developed from the aquatic animals, their parents. That is called as the primary aquatic adaptations. And fish is the best example of primary aquatic adaptations. So here we have to study the characteristics of the aquatic adaptation. So you know the character of aquatic adaptation. The animal, those living in water, they develop the gills for their respiration. We are not having the gills because we are the terrestrial animals. But fishes is the aquatic animals. They develop the gills for their respiration in water. They are taking the dissolved oxygen from the water, expelling carbon dioxide in the water. So they can live in water due to the development of a respiratory organ, gills. So respiration is there. Now another aquatic character is body is narrower towards the front and again narrower towards the backside, tail side. Spindle shaped body, which is very helpful for the swimming. For the पाण्यामध्ये पुढे पुढे स्विमिंग करण्यासाठी अशी बॉडी ही हेल्पफुल असते. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द नॅरो टॅपरिंग बॉडी, स्पाइंडल शेप्ड बॉडी, which is helpful in the swimming. Then for locomotion, fins are developed. Pectoral fins, pelvic fins, tail fins. These fins are developed for locomotion. With the help of the fins, fish can locomote. Fish can go from one place to other place. So that character is developed. Body is covered by the scales. Body is covered by scales. The viscous liquid is present on the body. Then a central on the body sense organ, lateral line sense organs are developed. Then air bladder is present in the body. Number of such characters are developed for the aquatic adaptation. So the aquatic animals means the vertebrate animals, those live in water, respire with gills. They are called as the fishes or pisces. So remember, pisces is an example of primary aquatic adaptation. Now another type of the adaptation is the secondary adaptation. Secondary adaptation means the adaptation developed from the terrestrial to aquatic. Terrestrial animals developed the aquatic characters. Previously, animal living on the land respire with the help of the gills, with the help of lungs. But due to unavailability of the food, it goes to the pond side, it goes to the river side in the search of food. And day by day, it develops some characters which is aquatic and which is helpful to the terrestrial animals, which goes to the aquatic body in the search of food. So such characters are developed in the terrestrial animals. So we can say the adaptation developed from terrestrial to aquatic. So that is called as the secondary aquatic adaptation. And the best example of secondary aquatic adaptation is the turtle or sea lion or dolphin. These are the mammals, but found in the water. They developed the characters. So some of the animals, they can respire on the land also in terrestrial media, and they can respire in the water also. For example, frogs, amphibians, some mammals also, they are respire in the water. So for today, the aquatic adaptation and the characters of the aquatic adaptation, types of the aquatic adaptation, examples of the aquatic adaptation, it is sufficient for today. Now in next period, we will see the another type of the adaptation, that is the desert adaptation. So for today, aquatic adaptation is completed. You remember, you listen this YouTube video lecture again and again. पुन्हा पुन्हा याला ऐकत राहा आणि समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. जर काही अडचण आली तर मला फोनवरती विचारा. तुम्ही हे अभ्यास करत असताना, ऐकत असताना तुमच्या क्लासमेट मित्राबरोबर, मैत्रिणीबरोबर बसून ऐकायचं. दोघं तिघी मुलींनी बसून एकत्र बसून ऐकायचं. काही त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला अडचण आली तो आपसात डिस्कस करायचं, ग्रुप डिस्कशन करायचं. आणि नाही समजलं तर मला फोन करायचं, मोबाईलवरती विचारायचं. कॉलेजमध्ये सहज आले तुमच्या कामानिमित्त तर भेटायचं. डिफिकल्टीज काय काय येत आहे ते रजिस्टरमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचं आणि मला कॉलेजमध्ये आल्यानंतर विचारायचं. ओके, फॉर टुडे इट इज सफिशियंट. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.